In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I'm going to explain how to record cash purchases from vendors or suppliers. When we go to vendor or supplier and directly purchase goods or items from them, and how we will record and make payment to them, and that time how we will record in QuickBooks Desktop. Here you can see on home page enter bills. Click on enter bills, and here you can choose or select your vendor from whom you are going to purchase goods. For example, by the name of Abdul Latif Safi, and here you should choose a right reference number. For example, reference number 1, and this is the date on which you are going to purchase items. And bill 2, for example, you can also choose the same date for it, for example 4. And here you can see one set for items and another set for expenses. So we should always select and click on items, and here we can choose items, for example iPhone 15 Pro Max. And quantity, you can write the quantity that you are going to purchase it, and I choose just 2 quantities. And the memo, you can write something and add something else regarding these items, and directly click on save and close. And I'm directly you should pay bills, record your payment of bills. From here you can filter by the name, for example Abdul Latif, and then click on it and click pay selected bills, and then click on done. So your payment will be paid to your vendor or supplier. And from reports you can delete this transaction, go to purchases, and then click on purchases by vendors, then double click on the amount, and then double click on the transaction, and then click on delete, and then click on OK. So it will be deleted from your reports, and you can refresh your reports, so the amount will be zero in the reports.